facing persistent issues on your Windows 11 PC? And even restarts won't help? Perhaps you can't even access recovery mode? Today, we're sharing a powerful solution, performing a repair install via Windows Update to restore Windows 11 without losing data, accounts, or apps. A one-time fix for stubborn system problems.
If you want to repair Windows 11 issue, you should do these operations in Windows 11. And if you want to repair Windows 10 errors, you should do these actions in Windows 10. Now I will show you how to do it in Windows 11. In Windows 11, click Start, click Settings. Select System on the left, then on the right, you should select Recovery. Click the arrow. Here is the item Fix Problem using Windows Update. This action will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. Click Reinstall Now button. OK, now it will pop up a dialog. In this dialog, it will tell you what the action will do. It said if a repair solution is available, we will attempt to fix system component corruption by reinstalling the current version of Windows. Your apps, documents, and settings will be preserved. Then click OK. Now it will check the Windows Update. So it will check and download the newest Windows Update for your Windows version, and then you can reinstall the Windows packages to fix the damaged Windows component. Now we just need to wait. Now you can see it will download all these components. Something have been downloaded and need to install, and something just download. After download all, you can click this button to install them. And this needs a restart. We will wait to that point. Now you can click the Restart Now button to restart to install the repaired Windows Update hotfix. After restart, just log in as usual. Now your Windows 11 has been repaired with the newest Windows Update hotfix files. Okay, all this are for this video. You are welcome to watch my video. Thank you. Bye bye.